You uploaded a video in your YouTube channel only to discover that you made a mistake in that particular video that you uploaded. And you're like, can I replace that video with another one? I'll be answering that question in this particular video. Stay true to the end so that you get to know exactly what to do with that particular video. Welcome to my channel. In case if this is your first time of visiting my channel, do well to subscribe so that you get notified of when I upload new videos in this particular channel. You subscribing is a way of supporting me to grow in this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Well, the answer to that particular question, whether you can replace that video with another one, the answer is capital no. Yes, I said capital no. The reason is that each time you upload a video, that video always generates a unique link to that particular video you uploaded. Take for instance this particular video. You can see the unique link of this particular video. So no particular video has the same link on the YouTube channel. So that's one thing you need to know. So each time you upload a video, it generates that particular unique link, and YouTube will not allow you to re-upload another one to replace a particular video. If you so wish to kind of maybe remove that video, all you just need to do is that you can just click maybe this particular one. You can just tick that video here, then you can click on more option and delete that particular video, and by this you can now re-upload another one and it will replace that particular one that you actually made a mistake. Now if you so wish maybe to delete a part in that video, or to just remove a part that you made, maybe one statement or the other, you can just select that video. For instance, this particular one, you can click on this editor. Now click on get started. Here now you can take some of these actions on that particular video. You can trim and cut. You can blur a section in that video. You can also kind of make audio alteration in that video, also add an end screen to that video. If you wish to trim and cut a particular section in that video, you can just click and hold the edge from here and do whatever you want to do. At the end, you click on save. So by you doing it this way, you are actually editing that particular video, removing the part you do not want. So these are things you can do to a particular video you made a mistake and you wish to kind of replace it with another one. You either delete that video and re-upload another one, or can edit it on the YouTube Studio by you coming to this very place, and these are things you can do to it to edit it. So I hope this answers your question. Do well to subscribe to this very channel so that you get notified of when I upload new video in this particular channel. Thank you.